I only scream when other people scream. Oh, cool.
What the heck was that?
That was fun. If I was a frog, I'd stand on my two hind legs and say, Johnny can't get back! Johnny can't get back!
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh.
Hey! I wasn't done yet!
No, we weren't. He was on to you.
I'm on.
Yoink.
Johnny can't get back! Johnny can't get back!
You guys are good.
Am I a litterer?
Yes.
Got one! Got one! Got one! Huh?
Frog! Frog! I got a frog! Woo! Me! Or that's
So let me get a good look at your frog. John.
What's that? What? Wanna be my friend?
So now, wanna be my friend? What's his name?
I'm going to name him Cooperator. Hi, Froggy. Look at his eyes. Aren't they so precious?
Precious.
You want to go loose when we're done?
Yes, I do.
I'm gonna go see if you like the water.
Okay, time to say goodbye.
Bye, Hopper. Bye, I love you, Hopper.
Yeah.
Friend hug.
Is he hugging you?
No, I hugged him.
He's hugging his hand.